Hello again, Les. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to try to get another layout done of our She Loves Color 2023, trying to wrap that up. So I have 3 photos. This was one of the classes by Lisa Fonza, and it was Stitch and Sequins, so that was a lot of fun. Did that. That is Marcy, who was sitting at my table. She was showing off a card she created. And Jean won a prize. That's my bestie's mommy, so she was showing what she won. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those down to 4x4s and mat them. I want to play with some Nuvo today. We've got Vintage Drops in Vanilla Milkshake and Crystal Drops in Bottle Green. We're going to do some Hexies and using up a page kit here. So we've got a border strip, some fun little items, possibly make a shaker, I don't know, don't really want to add a square, some chipboard, stickers, pencil, denim pocket it looks like, all kinds of fun things. Possibly use those to map my photos, right? We can use this. Maybe these. I don't know about this because it's got to go that way, so I don't know, but we'll look at that. A ruler, some fun little embellishments, So Happy Together, washi stuff, all the good things in life. There's a lot going on here. And whoa. Some day pass. So as I was going through these things, I am adding to this little bin that I could actually use for other things that I've done. Because I created these page kits like a year ago. So, all right. So, I think we're going to use that as the background, and then I think we're going to cut some Hexies out of this. So, let me go, and all I do is trace them and cut them out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I don't think you possibly get one. Nope, that's too big. Go ahead and do that. So let me go ahead and get this stuff cut and we will assemble the layout together. All right, this is what we got. So we're going to get this stuck in there, but first we're going to drop, do we want to put this up here? Or do we want it down here? I feel like I want it down here. Ah, it was so close, wasn't it? They're never quite 12 by 12, are they? But that's okay, because this picture is going to hang over. So, I'm going to get these two. I've got them all matted. Stick. So I'm going to put this one over here because this has got the, let's stick that one like that. Well, it'll be fine. And I've got my photo popped up on foam. It's going to be right there. And then I'm going to take this washi and we're going to carefully pull it off so it doesn't roll up, right? Okay. And tuck that one under there. Tuck that one under there. I'm going to put this one. I just like washi, you guys. Like, I use it in my planner, and that's about really all I like it for. Nope. Let's just want this to go there, which means that all of that goes into there. Okay. And then I know I just kind of went through and pulled out the stuff that I wanted to use. So again, if I could just, you know, make this work, that would be so much nicer for me. And then I'm gonna put this guy. And so this one, I want to put right under there. And okay, we're gonna put it right up there. And I guess we need to bring in a little bit more of this because we did cover up a little bit of that more than I had intended. And then this one, we're going to go ahead and just drop in. And that is forming the base for my clusters. So this guy, I'm going to tuck right over here. And the bottom half of that, I'm going to go right under here as well. Okay. So we have this strip. Which I think, and this is like really, really thin. That's not even washi. It's just like thin paper. We're going to go ahead and drop this one right here. Again, covered a lot. Totally fine. Not even a thing. I'm not going to use that. I like this. I feel like we need to pop that up. And then we're going to come in. And we're going to pop up the good. put that kind of wonky on there. I like the hello, so let's pop the hello up on some foam. Okay. I'm gonna get that stuck right there on top of that. And slide the flower. I'm really not a fan of the green, right? That color is, it's not really pretty. Let's be honest. It's like baby poop. Okay, and then the pencil. Because, you know, we're crafting. Let's stick that there. Let's go ahead and put the finger on Jean. And then Marcy can get Bright Idea. That was the only time I've ever met Marcy. And I feel like Think Happy because Fran's, it was just a bad picture of her. But she's straight glaring. Like, she is all glaring at me. And I don't really think she's glaring at me. But, let's put Embrace Your Uniqueness on Marcy because she didn't do any of the classes. She just brought her own stuff and just kind of sat there and talked to everybody. And I was like, okay, that's different. Memory Making. And let's do a little happy day on her too because she's really smiling bright, funny stuff. And we'll put a create right here. Okay. And Good to Your Soul. Let's just kind of line that one up going this way. Well, easy does it on Jean, you know. Okay, then we're going to come in with some of these guys. Probably should just put a little bit of glue where I'm going to put them, right? Let's get them all used up. Okay. And then we can come in with these little dots. In all the places. We're going to put the Nuvo. Then we're going to do the Nuvo and we're going to be done. So this is where we pray I don't splooge it all over the place. You guys remember the black incident. That one made me very sad. But in the end, you know, I cleaned it all up, so. And also this stuff is actually it is drying up inside the containers. So, you know, that's why I'm trying to make note to start using them. I feel like this is the one that was like seriously dried. but it wasn't. I think I threw that one away. Alright, that is going to do it for our layout today. So another stash layout done, paper used. Unfortunately, I have said this several times now, I am going to have a ton of embellishments left over and no paper. So, we'll just start to be like mixed media layouts being made, right? Alright. I do want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I created this rando layout. I'm just using up stash items. No hop, no nothing, so nothing for you to follow along, but I do have links down below if you would like to check them out. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.